Today we talk about how can you disable customers activity notifications on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on your down here, and you just click here on you. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to when you click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down here. You come here to customers activity, you just click on edit. Then you come to customers activity, you click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.